Alright guys, welcome back. So customer states they take it to the shop to get their AC work on. They couldn't solve the problem, and they also take it to someone else and they still have an issue. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first I'm going to show you what happened. So they take it to me like this. They take it apart trying to fix it. They change all those parts there right there. So check those. So I'm going to show you the main thing you must look for if your AC not working. Like the sun load sensor change. So let me show you what you need to look for first. So if you check the fuse in the box and they're okay, see the other thing you need to look for. So let me get the light. So I don't know if you are gonna be able to see it, but there's a wire. Alright, see that wire there? Just unhook. Alright, there you go right there. So I'm going to plug it back on. I should be able to fix the problem, guys. So let me get to the sensor first. Alright, so right here I remove this piece. There are some clips that hold it in. And as you can see right here, that's the pressure sensor right here. So I'm going to plug it back in. So we carry 3 wires. So the AC compressor should kick in. And here you go. So now that I plug it in, fan start to run, the AC compressor comes on. There you go, guys. So that's how you fix the problem with your Nissan Maxima. So if you have any problem with like this in the future, that's how you fix it, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.